Wayne and Bruno. That's one dynamic duo. A lot of women.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So we're going to go ahead and jump on in. I'm going to be using the Trader Joe's Tea Tree Tingle Conditioner and Shampoo. I like to use a clarifying shampoo most of the time. Every once in a while, I will use a co-wash. Just depends on how my hair feels. Also, I'll be using the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Strong and the 3-Minute Miracle Moist as my conditioners. After shampooing, I'm going to be using the Cream of Nature Argan Oil, the Strength & Shine Leave-In Conditioner, and the Cream of Nature Argan Oil Twist and Curl Pudding. Also, I'll be concocting a mixture of oils as my oil because I will be using the LOC method. So leave-in conditioner, oil, cream, styler. Now, I have the towel there just to catch any water running down my face as I'm shampooing my hair. I don't typically use a towel to dry my hair, just kind of catch the excess water running down my face and back. I will be using the Diva Curl towel just to blot my hair if I want to take some of the moisture out. Now, if you're wondering, this attachment I got for the sink, I got that from Sally's about 4 or 5 years ago. It was less than $10, but I like to go back and forth between the shower and the kitchen because lately, especially in this past year, I have been stopping up my drain in my shower. And even though I have a strainer there to catch my hair, it doesn't catch all of it. So just to try to keep it from clogging up, I try to go back and forth, and I just have a strainer here in this sink, again, to keep my sink from backing up. But I do shed a lot. It's typical of my hair because I only comb my hair once a week, and so all that shed hair is just trapped there, and it just loosens up as I'm shampooing and conditioning and detangling. Now you see I'm concentrating the shampoo on my roots, and then I will let the shampoo just run through my hair to cleanse my hair. But I'm just trying to massage my scalp, trying to just make sure I remove any buildup that may be sitting on my scalp that has built up over the last several days. So now I'm just applying the conditioner. Like I said, I'm going to use both the Aussie Moist and the Aussie Strong version of the 3-Minute Miracle. I'm going to let that sit in there for a little while with a shower cap. I'm going to take that larger towel and wrap it around my head to hopefully trap any heat so that that conditioner can get into my hair follicles. It's been a little while now, so I'm going to go ahead and rinse this out. And then I am going to start the detangling and conditioning process. So like I had mentioned earlier, I will be using the LOC method, which stands for L is for the leave-in conditioner, O is for the oil that you will use in your hair, and C for a cream styler. And I will be using the Creme of Nature Argan oil line for my leave-in and my cream styler. And then the oil is just a concoction of different oils that I have mixed together, which I showed earlier in the clip. Now, this is my first time trying the Creme of Nature. My thoughts on it, since I have already used it since recording this video, I've used it twice, that you have to shake the leave-in conditioner because it is separated. So you want to mix the lighter and heavier solutions in there so that they're one. They have a very sweet smell. So if you're sensitive to strong, sweet smells, you may or may not like it. I do like the results that I get afterwards, but sometimes the smell can be a little overbearing. But I'm just working that into my hair, just making sure all of my hair gets leave-in conditioner. Now I'll be taking that oil mixture that I had mixed up earlier, and I will be adding that on top of the leave-in conditioner. Just working it through, trying to make sure every strand has some oil mixed into it to help lock in moisture. And then after I add all my products, I will go ahead and detangle because I want to make sure I have plenty of slip in my hair, because a lot of times when I wash my hair in the sink, there's not a lot of opportunity to detangle, and so sometimes I detangle in the shower because it's either that way, but when I do it at the sink, it's easier once I put all my products in. So it helps create a lot of slip so that the combs don't snag in my hair. So now I'm going to go ahead and start applying the Argan Oil Cream of Nature Twist and Curl Pudding. I'm very generous with this. I'm going to go ahead and divide my half sections into subsections to make sure I get plenty of styler throughout my hair. I like to be really generous with it so that I don't have to reapply. Helps reduce buildup on my scalp and hair for the rest of the week. So if I use a lot now, typically I don't have to reapply any more product until my next shampoo day. Now I'm going to skip my detangling process because I have a separate video that will be coming up in the next week or two that shows my detangling, and I will be using the Tangle Teaser, where I'm going to be trying it out. So it's kind of like a review. So as you're going to see in just the next few seconds, the end result of me detangling my hair, and also you'll see why my hair constantly clogs up the drain. But everybody, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video.